Good morning students, I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know, this is our second channel. Earlier many videos were uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel for your term 1 exam, and we are very grateful and my team is very glad because of your good appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance in your term 1 exam. And as you requested, sir, we need some more contents and some extra questions, MCQ based questions and other teaching materials for our term 2 exam. So my team is made this channel to help you to prepare in your term 2 exam. So we expect that this channel will be also very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. And we believe that you must have subscribed this Social Science Vidyapit channel along with Social Science with NKSR channel, because as you know, every day we uploaded many educational videos and from your class 6 to 12 social science videos. So if you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly added videos so that you can make yourself prepare. And one advice I want to tell you, every video you should see till the end so that you can understand the important things of the chapter. If you miss to complete the video, then you will miss some important points. Okay. And today my team is ready to record one this video for class 9 economics, food security in India. And some of the MCQ based questions were prepared from the inside topics of the chapter, so that you can prepare all the topics of the chapter, and which will help you to get good marks. And so I hope you all are ready. So shall we start now? So your first question is, which was the most devastating famine which that occurred in India in 1943? And your options are the famine of Bengal, the famine of Punjab, the famine of Tamil Nadu, and the famine of Andhra Pradesh. So those who have written right answer, you can give 1 mark yourself. And total how many right answer you have written, you should send me in the comment box. Okay. And this question's right answer is the famine of Bengal. Moving toward the next question, what does FCI stand for? And your options are Fair Corporation of India, Food Commission of India, Food Company of India, Food Corporation of India. The right answer is Food Corporation of India. Which revolution was adopted in July 1968? And your options are Food Security Revolution, Wheat Revolution, Green Revolution, Agriculture Revolution. The right answer is Wheat Revolution, adopted in July 1968. Which of the following is not the kind of ration cards? Your options are on Antyodaya, BPL, ADS and APL. The right answer is ADS is not the kind of ration cards. Moving toward the next question, Antyodaya cards are meant for dash. Your options are the poorest of the poor, those below poverty line, average income people and all. So the Antyodaya cards are meant for the below poverty line people. Moving toward the next question, when was National Food for Work program launched? And your options are on November 11th, 2006, on April 24, 2006, on November 14, 2004, on April 19, 2004. And the right answer is on November 14, 2004. The National Food for Work program launched by the Government of India. Moving toward the next question, the full form of AAY is dash. Amul Anna Yojana, Annapurna Anna Yojana, Antyodaya Anna Yojana, Academy of Anna Yojana. The right answer and the full form of the AAY is Antyodaya Anna Yojana. Okay. And moving to the next question, who are food insecure? Who are food insecure? Your options are landless people with little or no land to depend on, and people employed in ill-paid occupation, SCs, STs and OBCs, and all of the above. So the food insecure people are all of the above. The options which I have told: landless people with little or no land to depend on, people employed in ill-paid occupation, SC, STs and OBCs, all these options. Why do poor people suffer from chronic hunger? Your options are because of very low income, because of unavailability of the food, because of high price of food, and none of the above. So the poor people suffer from chronic hunger because of their low income, very low income. Okay, this is the correct answer. Moving toward the next question, when is minimum support price which MSP declared by the government? Your options are once in every 2 year, once in every 5 year, every year before the sowing season, every year after the sowing season. So the MSP minimum support price declared by the government, the right option is every year before the sowing season. Okay. So student, these are some of the important MCQ based question of this class 9 economics food security in India. And the MCQ based questions which are prepared from each topic of this chapter. I hope this will be helpful for you to get good marks in your term 2 exam. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.